Mexico is a beautiful country full of folklore, culture, and flavor. Mexico has one of the most delicious gastronomy around the world. We all love tacos, pozole, and chilaquiles. But today, we are gonna make one of the most iconic dishes of Mexico, mole. This is Cooking with Hilda, and we're making mole poblano. The word mole comes from the Nahuatl that means sauce, and history tells us that the first mole recipe had more than 100 ingredients. It is true that when we make authentic mole, it takes time, but it is totally worth it. To start making our authentic mole, we have a combination of dried chiles. We de-seed them and clean them. We take that little vein in the middle and clean them perfectly. And now we toast it. Mole has these toasted ingredients and it gives it a little particular flavor that is delicious. We toast the dried chiles, and after they toast, be careful they're not burnt. After they're toasted, we let them rest on warm water so the chiles can absorb that water and come softer for the moment where we're gonna blend all this sauce together. We also need to toast the spice combination. We also charred the tomatoes. And we are gonna start frying fruit. I know it sounds strange, but it is the authentic recipe, and the flavor at the end is gonna be delicious. Now we reserved the fried ingredients, and then we toast some bread. So it is time to combine all the toasted spices and the fried ingredients, and we're gonna make a paste. Use your molcajete so it's extra authentic. It's gonna take you around 20 minutes, so be patient and start making this paste that I'm gonna show you. Now is the easiest part. We combine all these ingredients in your blender. Now it's time to warm this sauce in a pot. Slowly, and we are gonna add some chocolate. I know it sounds strange, but it's delicious. We season with salt to taste, and it's gonna be awesome. Authentic Mexican mole is served on chicken traditionally. So you will have to have chicken, already cooked chicken, and then you let the chicken inside the sauce, and you have to let it absorb of this flavor and serve it with a side of Mexican rice and warm tortillas. Perfect. I hope you enjoyed this delicious, authentic Mexican mole. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up. See you guys next time.